Hey everybody, Mike here. Hey, today I'm going to read you an article that I found to be very interesting. The article is titled "Whole Life Insurance Often Best Choice for Long-Term Planners." It was written by Richard S. Bernstein, who's the CEO of Richard S. Bernstein and Associates, and he's an advisor for high net worth people. Some of America's wealthiest families trust him and people like him to take care of their financial situation. So I thought the article was interesting. I'm just going to read it here to you. It's a short article, maybe 4 minutes or so, but I thought it was interesting and worth passing along. There are very few sure things in life other than death and taxes. But there is a third one that ties back to the first two: life insurance. When it comes to a versatile financial asset that can provide a guaranteed amount of cash for a family and help them pay a tax or manage a lifestyle, life insurance is one of the best options available. It is an essential tool in your estate planning toolbox. Knowing what products are available and how to fund it can make a significant difference in protecting your children's inheritance without wreaking havoc on your lifestyle. In times of economic uncertainty, most people are thinking about what their financial goals are right now, as opposed to what their long-term financial needs and objectives might be. That may be where you are today. Okay, in economic uncertainty, just thinking about today and not thinking about the future. Okay, go back to the article. But thinking only of immediate financial objectives often is detrimental to your long-term fiscal well-being. Take life insurance, for example. A person thinking only of right now might purchase a term life insurance policy, one that could expire before their expected death but protects their family from unexpected death. A person looking at the big picture, though, would be more likely to purchase whole life insurance. This is because it will provide a guaranteed benefit to his or her family at the time of death, no matter when that may be. And because whole life insurance can help them address other financial concerns like retirement or leaving their family with a lasting legacy. Additionally, it is not advisable to plan on what political party is in office, but rather for your long-term needs. Whole life insurance offers numerous benefits that don't come with other life insurance policies. Along with the guaranteed level death benefit, whole life insurance guarantees its premium and accumulates cash over time that can be accessed at any time via policy loans and partial surrenders. With whole life insurance, there is also an extremely valuable option to add a long-term care rider to your policy. Additionally, whole life insurance is creditor proof as long as you're not involved in a lawsuit at the time of purchase in the state of Florida. Meanwhile, whole life insurance purchased through a mutual company also offers the opportunity for policy dividends to increase cash value and the death benefit. While the dividends are not guaranteed, they may be the closest thing in the financial world has to offer. During our nation's most difficult economic times, mutual companies, which operate not with an eye towards stockholders' immediate needs, but towards policyholders' long-term needs, have consistently paid dividends to their policyholders. So while many people who invested on Wall Street 8 years ago possibly walked away with little or nothing to show for their investment, others investing that same amount in a mutual life insurance policy collected dividends every year since. Those dividends can be used to pay forward to the next year's premium. They can use to purchase additions to your life insurance policy, or they can simply be collected as cash. These benefits are why whole life insurance is more than simply a way to protect your family's financial future in the event of your death. Whole life insurance is a personal asset that can be one of the cornerstones of your long-term financial success and stability. So there's a lot of little nuggets in here that I think apply to what I'm teaching here with the private family banking. Okay, it's taking a long-term picture of your financial life. Okay, not just worrying about what you need today, but worrying about what you may need in another 30 or 40 years or however long you have left, right? It also talks about some of the ways that you can use the life insurance policy. You can access the cash, okay? Even during times of economic uncertainty, it's still paying dividends. Why? Because it's not tied to the stock markets. So it's not going to be subject to the ebbs and flows of Wall Street. Okay. And additionally, you can use those dividends that they pay every single year to purchase additions to your life insurance policy. This is what we recommend doing, using those to purchase additional life insurance, right? It both grows your cash value at a higher rate and increases the value of your policy when you eventually do pass away. So, anyways, I thought it was interesting. A lot of people look at life insurance as a liability or something they have to pay, whereas I like to think about life insurance as an asset. Okay, think about it as an asset that is part of your overall portfolio. So I'll leave you with that. I thought it was an interesting article. Thought I'd pass it along. And until next week, we'll see you.